everybody. So today we are going to talk once again about the 414. Today I did something that I've never done with this thing. Well, as actually I could probably say I've never done anything on this thing because I never used it until now. So what I did was I'm doing two things in this one. I'm doing a bounce and I'm doing a reamping. How am I doing these? Well, let's talk about it. So let's go look at the 414 here. Where's the 414? There it is. Okay, so as you can see, we have currently vocals, vocal loop and drums here. And on track 1, I have recorded a guitar track direct in. If you look here, I have this 1/4 inch coming out adapter. I tried using this guy here. This is my balanced XLR to balanced end. Did not like it. I got a wicked hum. I don't know why. I was trying it through my back adapter here. These guys here. These are the snake that are hooked up behind over there in the corner on my bass amp that I use to pretty much mic the guitar amp. It didn't like it. It did not like it at all. So what I ended up having to do is I recorded the vocals on my Goya, right there, the Goya. Yes, I have a Snark tuner on it because I don't have a tuner on this, so I needed a tuner to use. That was what I had available. So I've tuned it drop D. First time I've ever recorded something drop D. So there's a new thing for me. So what I did was I'm recorded onto track 1. So this track 1 here. This has got the guitar track. I'm running it through. As you can see, the effects loop is all the way up, and I have the effects send 1 coming out, going into, oh, it broke. Let me just switch for a second, see if I can get it back. Going into, nope, not coming back. Hang on. The joys of technology. There we go. Going into my dual RDB. So this is my what is it? Reamping box that I have, and then into the 1/4 inch. Going into my amp way over there, the Roland amp right over there in the corner. And now generally what I do is I have a snake over there on top. I was still there, but I couldn't get the mic was humming really bad through it. So I actually have it connected into a 1/4 inch coming into here. And this is a 1/4 inch adapter, and it's just a straight TS adapter, XLR TS adapter. So this is what I used to do it. So now first thing I did was I recorded the guitars on track 1. So I'll play that for you. So I'm just going to turn everything off for a second so you can just hear track 1. So let's go put it on tape for a second. It'll be coming out the left side, but I'm going to play it. And I got some of the Tascam preamp goodness out of it, so it's a little distorted at times. So this is what it recorded on there, which you can't hear yet. They're starting up. Now track 2 is done. Track 2 is bounced. So there. Here we go. So you can hear a bit of the distortion coming through. I'll put it in the middle for you. So that is what I recorded on that. I had headphones on, by the way, because, well, I didn't at that point I didn't because I didn't need to. When I did the next part, I had to. So I recorded that, and now I've turned down the amp, the other amp over there, but I had the effects loop on. What I learned is on effects 1, I haven't tried on effects 2 yet, but if I have effects 1 on, the fader, it's post fader. So that means that where the fader is, that's how much effects is going to go out. So I learned that I learned that. I was hoping I could do it the other way. I haven't tried Effects 2 yet. Maybe Effects 2 works differently, whereas it will be, if you're on Q, maybe then it doesn't matter. So that's why I put this over to the left. So that's first off. So now, then I went and I set that up and I recorded, I brought this in and using the effects send, so all the way up here, so it's sending it as loud as possible over to that amp, and I had it coming back in into track 2. This is after I recorded the vocals, or the guitars. So what I did then was I did a mix bounce, so I could figure out how much of a bounce I wanted, and I'll just play that. So this is, so what I did was I took track 4, had on the right side. I switched this to record the right side. So that's where I had it. I got it on safe now because I'm done. And then I had this down on mic so it would pick up whatever's coming through the mic because that's what I wanted. And this is where I put the mic level. So I use that as the mic level. And this is what I recorded. So let's just put this in the middle. So now, and I don't want that on. So none of these I want on. Okay, so let's go back to the beginning. And this is what I recorded on that side. So I blended, I did a test blend, like I would record so much, do a test, and then record so much more and do a test. It became so much fun. So here we go.
Dumbass alert, 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 dumbass alert.
So then, yeah, so then I recorded that. So that gave me what I wanted. So I got the guitars. I put a little flange on I turned on the flanger a bit on the amp. I haven't done the other track yet. So I've only got one guitar track right now. So now 3, at this moment, 2 and 3 are the stereo tracks. So if I turn up track 3 and we start listening again, so we'll just listen from there.
Dumbass alert, 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 dumbass alert.
So now I've got that done. That was actually quite easy to do. I'm quite happy with it. Yeah, so the thing is yes, you can pretty much reamp on anything, any multi-track, as long as you have a way to send the signal out, just that signal that you want out, and then bring it back in, as I did here, you can do it. So, I guess that's my video for today. I hope you enjoyed this. Yeah, I'm still having fun with this little guy. I'm pretty much done for the day, though. I'm tired now. I've been doing a lot with it, so I'm gonna put it away for a bit. Probably just leave it here. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. If you do, like and subscribe. Tell me what you want me to do. If you want me to test anything, you know that I have pretty much, well, I don't have pretty much all the Tascam equipment, but I have a wide variety of Tascam equipment sitting in this room. So we can do whatever you're looking at. So talk to me and I'll talk to you. Talk to you later. Bye.